Hi, welcome to this update on the 3rd of June. So we saw a bit of a dump here from 73,000 all the way down to the value area low of this range here, this bigger range, which was predicted in advance, 65,800. So this is your support for now, and we shouldn't really lose this support. However, by looking at some other data that I can see, things ain't looking that bright. Could we get a bounce here? Yes, we could. We do have a point of control that we rejected yesterday, a 67, 929. We had a second attempt and we couldn't reach it. And I was watching the order flow, and this area didn't look very good. So we could come back and S&P this low for a continuation up, because we do have some single prints in this candle here, so approximately 68. So we could come and fill at least 50% of this candle, and then everybody would think we found support and we're above this POC for a continuation up. However, looking at some of the data that I have been analyzing, I'm not that confident in that. First, let's go over this disclaimer. This video is not financial advice. Crypto is risky, high volatile, no results are guaranteed. Offers may not apply in your region. Some links are affiliate links. I might earn a commission. This content is for experienced users only. Full disclaimer is in the description of this video. Now let's continue. Okay. So looking at the order flow itself, this range here, which is above 70, I would say about 68,000, was an important range, or a level that we should have held. Now we lost that, came back, and we did not back test it. We came back down, and then it was very weak, and then we had a point of control of distribution here, making a new low into that value area low of that bigger range. And we saw aggressive delta, which is not good. Then we came back out, messed around with the VWAP. Now we're above the point of control, fighting that. The same thing that was happening here is happening here. So it looks like we're going to roll over. We have a lot of long stepping in, local imbalances that we have over here, but we have a lot of long stepping in, and the funding rate is very high as well. So this is a recipe for disaster, to be honest. I mean, could we bounce from here? Could we get to 70K? We could, because we're in a distribution phase, and I just want to show you that very quickly. This is called terminal distribution, and it's pretty accurate. So we can see the bottom of the range is 64K, and that may change. I mean, the way this is building up, it can go all the way up to 60K, but this is your distribution range. So as price is going up, it's being sold, and so is the ETF. So your next selling point, 78K, can go all the way up to 79K. But the current distribution range is, that's where we are now, is 70, just say 78K, which actually does make a lot of sense here, because you've got those single prints as well. So you want to be careful with the longs. Can you not long here, and can you scalp? Of course you can. That's how I trade. But if you're going to be thinking about swing trades, do remember that over in this area here, 65K, is, we need to retest this. So if you want a long here, you could be in a bit of a drawdown, and you're only going to be targeting 760, 68K. If we do break above that, this top band here is going to be a huge resistance. So any long trades that I will take is going to be for scalps only, for a continuation lower. Now, if you had watched this video, which was on May the 31st, I said, Bitcoin trap in play, be careful. Explained in there that we were distributing. I even mentioned a clear distribution. So when we're distributing, you don't want to be taking long positions. You want to be looking for shorts. So I do suggest, you subscribe to my channel, because I do give you in advance information. I don't give you my trade setups that much. You need to join my community, which is free. But what I do is I tell you in advance this is going to happen. When what a lot of the times it happens before the move. That's how I position myself in. I'm still currently short as well, and I've been scalping short as well. So I was actually scalping the Sydney session into the Asian session, short trades. So I took quite a few of them, very fast scalping in and out. I will be doing a scalping course very, very soon, but it's only going to be available in my Discord. So this software here actually gives me a lot of information. I don't even need to look at order flow or the charts or your candles or whatever. This actually gives me a lot of information and shows me distribution traps, what the market maker is doing. And that's how I can take very, very fast trades or plan ahead. This software is actually going to be linked to my new Discord, and you can join the Discord by attending one of my free webinars. The link is in the description below of the webinar. And where I run through all this, I run through AI, some of my strategies, and I invite you free to my Discord. So take advantage of that. And please, could you follow me on X? That's all I have for you guys today, really. Oh, one more thing. In the description of this video will be this link to my link tree. And in here, there are some offers. You can grab a 3,000 US dollar airdrop position from WEEX. Just click that link and join. BloFin, you can claim up to $300 free, and with BYDFi you can earn Bitcoin. Yeah, so if you want to be stacking some Bitcoin up, they've got a very good deal. So just click on one of these links. This is a Pionex. I've just joined them recently, but this I'm going to do a separate video on, because I'm just testing some strategies, and we'll be uploading that video. And there will be a copy trading bot. You can copy trade off there. And also there is a 1-day free live trading masterclass and 2-day trading masterclass for the month of June. This is only available in June because I don't really work in July. So if you want to take advantage of that, just click on this link, click on that. It's all free. Follow the instructions and you can join, and take advantage of these offers as well. Okay, have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Stay safe.